Hey guys, what is up? It's Sek here back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use 3.5mm audio jack on a home theater with the audio line in. So let's get to it. The first thing you're going to need is the audio line into audio jack 3.5mm. So let's get to it. I have a home theater RCA RTD 315. The first thing you want to do is match the colors. Hold on. You want to match the colors, as you guys can see here. You want to match yellow as the ground as video. We don't need video. You're going to match white to white, which is audio line in L, and the red to red. And that's basically it. So you're gonna make sure your speakers are hooked up to your sound system. I have a subwoofer and 4 other more speakers. This is the audio jack here hooked up to it. So I'm gonna get my laptop and play some music, and let's hope it works. So I'll be back in a minute. Yeah. So I'm gonna plug in the audio jack. I will on YouTube and let's listen to it. First I'm going to power on the home theater system by pressing the red button. As you guys can see, it's going to light up blue. Aux in on. I have to set it by the source. So I'm going to play some music. As you can hear, it is playing. I'm gonna raise the volume. As you guys can hear, the subwoofer is working with the audio jack. I'll put the name of the song in the description below. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out. I'm so happy.